Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. My son just brought in packages of probably way too fucking big to fit in the mailbox. I know they were. Especially this one.
I think I'm about to be having a fit in a minute.
What?
I think this is the size it said it was.
Oh. And my son got some stuff from Temu, the big package that I just showed you. I got from TikTok Shop. What's this one? Okay, we're doing the Temu video first.
That's what T said he wanted.
Oh, okay. Is there a way to open this easier?
Yeah. Scissors.
Thank you. Although I did just do this. We'll just see if it opens that way. But I'm sure I need the scissors for the box. So we'll do the teeny video, like I said. We'll do that first. And then we'll be doing TikTok. TNT. It's explosively fun. Now, I do have some stuff coming still. Some other stuff. Not much, honestly. Rob's like, sure. That's pretty. Oh my God, thank you, Steve. It's like Christmas without music.
There you go.
I'm just trying to finish getting the quiet stack off of this. Ooh. Now, my son, he knows I like fancy looking stuff on a bargain. Temu. So I'm going to open this. I think that's pretty. What do you think of that, Rob? So, I love the package because it has a handle. So if you wanted to give that as a gift, you could, you know, you've got the handle, carry it, whatnot. And of course it opens at the top. And this is what it looks like packaged. So we'll very carefully, ever so carefully, take it. Oh, it comes with the serving tray. Y'all, don't mind that. That was the box. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Now I'm gonna sit this on the table. No, that's metal. That's actually metal. I know a lot of people would think this is plastic. It's what I thought at first, you know, just, but that's cool. And then we have the little teacups. Now in other countries, this is also how they would drink their coffee. This is true. In a lot of I think Arab nations, they have their little cup, and their coffee is supposedly like that strong. Even Greek coffee, you only want that tiny cup. That's pretty. So let me open this one up. Glad that was easy. Also, it's metal. I love that. That's pretty. That. So you would put those around that, and then you got this, which I will have to cut that one open. The next video will be that.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit this
All of that
in
in
that.
Oh.
I mean, I can fit the screen in.
Oh yeah, you'll figure it out. You'll see what he's talking about in the next one.
And the little computer thing anymore, but
I love that. That is so pretty and so decorative, right? So, for tea service in other countries, you will boil your water in a kettle, which we have an electric one, and then you can either put the tea in this or just the water, and then you would carefully pour it. I think this is pretty. I like the little gem right there. Even though that's just a little rhinestone, I think if you want something fancy, how much did you pay for this?
Not sure.
Anyway, when he looks, I'll just put that in the description box, and I'll try to pull up his affiliate link and put that in the pinned comment. So you have the beautiful 6 of the little cups, which I think are pretty.
These are shot glasses.
Oh,
Just saying.
I don't know what kind of shot glass that's supposed to be. Do you, Rob? Shot some tea back, okay? It's got the beautiful. I love that. It's very ornamental. It reminds me, you know what? This reminds me of one of those Jewish services or Arab, or even, like I said, Greek or Turkish. But I'm glad that Temu did not disappoint. Real metal. It's beautiful. So, and if you look, the little rhinestones are in these areas, which is really pretty. You can either just use it for decoration or actually use it and stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Don't mind how I look. I'm a mess because I've been helping Rob with the office. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome.